Good morning, guys. In front of me is HAFURY GT20, and let me show you how to activate developer options here. At first, open the settings, then find and select About Phone. Scroll to the bottom of the list and 7 times tap on build number. Then draw your unlock pattern. And as you can see, from now on you are a developer, so developer options are unlocked now. Click on System to reach developer options now. Here they are. Click to open, scroll through them, use whichever you want, and then whenever you want to block developer options again, once you want to hide it, just unmark the stop switcher. As you can see, they are no longer accessible, and to reach them you will have to perform the same trick again. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.